Hi guys, it's Shauna checking in today on Sunday. I'm at my open house today, 12 to 2 at 2527 Phillips Road in Schodack. This is the Schodack School District. We offer a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath custom raised ranch on over an acre of land. We are now offering this fantastic home at $279,900. We've done a $10,000 price reduction. Wait. It's my favorite part, that window. If you know anybody who's looking to purchase a home in the Schodack School District, send them my way today. 12 to 2 at 2527 Phillips Road in Schodack. I'm right down the road from the golf course. You can't miss me. My signs are everywhere. So if you know anybody, send them my way today, guys. Thanks so much. 12 to 2 at 2527 Phillips Road in Schodack. Yep. This is where we are. Send them my way.